There is no doubt, Your Excellency, that if you look at the North today, just like many proponents as we had last Sunday in our meeting, dwelled on, we as Northern people from the North, we can pick a candidate and vote for that candidate and make that candidate succeed as a president. But currently, we have an issue as Northerners. There is violence in many communities. Many communities are being sacked. Many villages are being thrown off, burnt down, people killed, maimed, raped, and kidnapped. These actions that is within the North, and where most people affected suspect Northern brothers as the cause, has touched on the unity of the North. Unfortunately, government is hardly doing anything to assuage the situation. And it is the responsibility of government, sir. It is the responsibility of government to ensure that there is peace and order in communities. But where in a situation government fails to take adequate steps, we believe as a people that leadership in the North can begin to take steps to ensure that there is internal healing within the Northern region, wherein we can begin to see ourselves as brothers and sisters, people who can cohabit and
yeah. So I have taken note of some of the issues you have raised. I am at a bewilderment about this issue of security. There have been quite a number of theories, about this issue of internal insecurity. Some people argue that it is being promoted from within. Some people argue that it is being promoted from outside. But what I can testify is that there is very, very unserious attitude by our government. You remember when the Boko Haram started, it was actually in 2002, we were in office. The president sent for me, VP, what do we do about it? It started in Yobe, actually. And I said, Mr. President, let's call the service chiefs and give them a deadline. If they can't put it down, then they should put down their uniforms and go away. We'll get some other people. And he called the service chiefs. I was there and gave them marching orders. Within a few weeks, they put down the insurgency in Yobe. It never came up again until we left office. So one, I will say there is lack of political will on our leaders. When they are killing your citizens, how you can even eat? They are killing your citizens and you don't give a damn. It's the greatest irresponsibility by any political leader, anywhere. So I hold our leadership responsible for all this insecurity that is going on all over the place. One, we are under-policed. We don't have enough policemen in this country. We have so many people educated and unemployed. Why can't you not recruit them into the police? So, gentlemen, I want you to understand that. And it is up to us. You are the leaders of your various communities. Yes, we are having a coalition. So all the major political parties are involved in this coalition. The APC, the PDP, the Labour, all of us are involved. So that is the only way to go to face such a very, very incompetent and inefficient government. So I want to assure you, of my understanding and my support.